Hey, hi all. So I'm back again with another Java interview question. Basically, I am following the Kadane's algorithm today also for solving this problem. And using Kadane's algorithm, it is very easy to solve this problem. Like yesterday, we have covered the maximum sum like of the subarray using the Kadane's algorithm. So today also we will cover the Kadane's algorithm, like how we can find the maximum product subarray. Like maximum product, we need to find out of the subarray. You will be given an array and you need to find out the maximum sub array, maximum product, sorry. So basically let's get started. So Kadane's algorithm is nothing, just to revisit that at each index either you will be starting a new sub array or extend the existing one. Means this algorithm is very useful for negative numbers and positive numbers. So once we get the negative numbers, so we will need to find the max out of it. So we will be starting the new sub array, and we will be ignoring the negative numbers. So that is the Kadane's algorithm, and these are the some of the test cases which I have covered from the LeetCode. And basically suppose for this test case we will be given an integer array nums is given, suppose, and you need to find the sub array out of these array, and who has the largest product basically. So in this, if you say 2 3 is the largest product, 2 comma 3, it is having 6. And again, like if you say 4, so 4 will not be the sub array because minus 2 is there, and minus 2 will make the digit as negative number. Suppose 6, and it will become minus 12. Minus 12 into 4, then it will become minus 48. So it is a negative number and is not the largest product. So that's why we'll be not considering here 4, and we'll be considering only 2 comma 3. And the thing is that we'll be taking like a min largest and max largest approach, that we will be finding the min largest and max largest, and as soon as we will be getting the negative numbers, so we'll be swapping the values between the min largest and max largest. This is the approach we'll be following using the Kadane's algorithm. And this is the test case number 2, like minus 2 0 minus 1. So here the largest product will be 0. Result cannot be 2, because minus 2 minus 1 is not a subarray, as I mentioned here also. Like minus 2 is been coming between, so 4 will be not taken. So similarly minus 2 and minus 1 is not a subarray, so it will be not taken as a subarray, and its product will not be considered. Otherwise minus 2 minus 1, it will become 2, and it is the largest number. So you can easily say that 2 is the largest number, and you can return 2 instead of 0. But it is not a subarray, so that's why we are not taking it. Basically we need to find that subarray who has the largest product, the question says. And using Kadane's algorithm, it is very easy, as I said. So let's get started. And before that, like if you haven't liked, share and subscribe my channel, please like, share and subscribe my channel. So I've covered this test case as of now, I've taken, but this will be a generic solution, which will be like running all the test cases of the LeetCode. You can just try it in, and then let me know if you have any doubts. So as I mentioned, we need to take basically max ending result and min ending result, or max product you can say. So as I have taken max ending, so here there is one more question arises, like I am taking the initial value of the array, like which is 2 as of now. Then we are taking min ending equals to array of 0. Then we have one more variable we need to take for finding or for maintaining the result basically, and we need to return that result. So max so far we have taken, and here also we are assigning the initial value of the array. Then we need to take one in like current variable for maintaining the current array value. So we can assign that as 0, as nothing is required there. Then just one for loop is required here for int I equals to 0, I less than array dot length, then I plus plus. And what we'll be doing, we will be taking max ending. Firstly we will be assigning current equals to array of I, because every time we are just changing the value of current to array of I as soon as the for loop incrementing. Okay, then what we will be doing, we will be just doing max ending equals to math.max. Here we are applying the Kadane's algorithm. So what we will be doing, we will be just taking current, which will be the current value. Otherwise we will be current into what we can say max ending. Let me copy here. Similarly, min ending is there. Math dot min. Same Kadane algorithm here also I am applying current into min ending. Okay. Now max so far is there, which will be maintaining the result, and our result will be getting here max ending, like somehow we are getting the result. So every time we need to compare it, like max so far is having the highest result, or math like max so ending. So here we are keeping max so far, then here we are keeping max ending. Okay, so till now it is very simple. Just few changes we need to do. Let me tell you that also. And here max so far we need to assign it, we need to print basically. So what we are doing, we have already taken array of 0, like 2 will be assigned to max ending, 2 will be assigned to min ending, 2 will be assigned to max so far. So our for loop, instead of 0 it should start at 1, because otherwise it will take the duplicate, and 2 into 2, then it will form a like duplicate result. One thing, then here current equals to array of I is there. So in sometimes like current will be becoming negative, like current equals to -2 will be coming. So in that case what we will be doing, we will be swapping the values of the max ending and min ending we have taken. Let me tell you why we are doing that. So if current is less than 0, so we need to do a simple swap is there. We need to take one temp variable, then max ending, max ending value we have stored into temp, then max ending equals to min ending, and then min ending equals to temp. So this way, like max ending and min ending values will be swapped, and then what it will does that every time it will go max ending, it will do Kadane algorithm is applied here. Okay, so what we are doing it, so in max ending we are checking mat.max, we are finding the max element either of current element, or the product of the current into max ending. Which one is max? We are taking the max ending. Similarly we are taking the min ending, then we are checking the max so far. So max so far is basically nothing, the result we are storing it, and every time we are just getting that maximum element of that max so far and max ending, we are comparing it, and it will return the max so far, and at the end we are printing it max so far. So basically what why we have done this, basically suppose it is becoming -2 somehow, that current equals to, then -2 it will go inside, and max ending, suppose it was for example it was 3 was there somehow, just giving an example demo, and it is -6 somehow it becomes. So min ending, like max ending is 3 and min ending is -6. So after swapping, min ending will become -6, and max ending will become -6, and min ending will become the 3 positive one. So what it will do, the max ending, sometimes current will be negative, so -6 suppose and -2, so it will become the positive result, and it will return the maximum positive result of max ending, and at the end we are just comparing for max so far and max so ending, so which will be the negative positive one or the maximum one, it will return that. So that is the main motive behind that, and let me run this problem for you. See here, 6 is coming, 2 comma 3, 6 is coming, and 4 is not considered. So that's it, and let me know if you have any feedback, any suggestions for me. I have covered most of the test cases, like every test case will run through this approach. Just go through the problem and let me know in the solution, and if you have any feedback, any suggestions, please let me know in the comments, and till that, thanks, bye, and please like, share, subscribe.